Well, that makes me asleep. That wake me up just a little bit. I was about to fall asleep for a second time because it wasn't leaving.